So, good morning. Today we will discuss our exercise 5C, which is all related to this basic construction. So, first of all, let me tell you how to draw the triangle. The first question, construct a triangle. Construct means we need not to simply use a scale and just draw it. Construct means we have to use the compass, we have to use the protractor, we have to use the scale, and then we have to construct. So the first question I am dealing with part second. We are constructing a triangle with side 5, 5.6 and 3.9 centimeter. So here I am having the construction. First of all, what we can have is we can use a scale, and with the help of a scale we can draw a line of 5.6 centimeter. Okay, this will give you AB. Now, by using compass, we will plot the other two sides. Now, the second side is 5 centimeter. We will take a compass. With the help of the scale, we will measure 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. Then we will put one end here and we will make a arc like this. We will put it and we will make an arc of 5 centimeter. Through the other end, we will make an arc of 3.9. That means we will place here and we will measure first 3.9 and then we will make an arc. Okay. So this is how, after constructing the arc, we will join these 2 points and this will give us triangle ABC. So what we did is, first we have made a line of 5.6 centimeter. We can take here any other side also. Then we will take a measurement of 5 centimeter. We will put the needle of the compass here and then we will draw an arc of 5 centimeter. With the other end, we will measure 3.9 centimeter from the scale. We will put the needle here and we will make an arc of 3.9. Later on, we will join these two sides and we will get a triangle. I hope this is clear. Now the next question is, we have to construct an equilateral triangle. Now in question number second, we have to construct equilateral triangle. So what is equilateral triangle? The triangle whose all side is equal, it is equilateral triangle. That means all side measures the same. Okay. Now how to construct it? First we have drawn a line of 6.5 centimeter. Okay, then we have taken a compass. We have measured 6.5 over this compass. With one end, we have made one arc. With the other hand, we will made another arc. Okay, because it is equilateral, so all the side will measure the same. So compass से हम दोनों तरफ same measurement का arc लगाएंगे. Then we will join these two and we will get equilateral triangle. Okay. Now it has also asked you to measure all the angles by using protractor. Okay, we know that in equilateral triangle each side is same, so every angle also measures same value. Now therefore in equilateral triangle all angles measure 60 degree. So that you can measure with the help of protractor. Now let us start question number third. In question number third, we have to draw isosceles triangle. And now in isosceles triangle, what is the property? In isosceles triangle, the two sides are equal. Therefore, see, it is given AB is equals to AC and it is equals to 5.7. So, in triangle which we have constructed, these two sides are equal. Now, BC is equals to 7.9. So, first let us take BC as a line. हम इसको स्केल से बनाएंगे 7.9 का. Then the next is we have to make other two sides whose dimensions are 5.7. अब 5.7 का क्या हम करेंगे? We will take the measurement on the compass of 5.7. Then with one needle at one end, we will make the arc of 5.7. Now with the end, next end, we will make the same arc of 5.7 and we will join these two sides. So by this we will get the isosceles triangle. Now in question number 4, it is asked to construct a triangle ABC. So here I am dealing with part 1 where AB is equals to 6 centimeter, BC is equals to 5.6 and angle ABC is equals to 60. Okay, so now let's start. Here we have already drawn BC is equals to 5.6. Okay, this can be drawn with the help of the scale. Now next is we have to make angle ABC of 60 degree. Now in order to make angle ABC, angle कहाँ पे है? B पे. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? B पे एक एंड रखते हैं और एक आर्क ऐसे लगाएंगे. See, like this we can make any arc. Okay, by this we can make any arc like this. Up the end where it is joining at this line, we will mark a cut of the same diameter. Okay, so like this, after making an arc, this angle is of 60 degree. ये जो angle है, this is of 60 degree. 60 degree. Now it is given AB कितने का होना चाहिए? 6 centimeter का. So from B we will make a dimension of 6 centimeter. This is the dimension of 6. We will place the needle, okay, at B and we will mark an arc here. अब क्या करेंगे? इस लाइन को इस आर्क तक एक्सटेंड कर देंगे. ओके ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव मेड 60 डिग्री. एक डायमीटर का हम एक सेमी सर्कल बनाते हैं, इस एंड से सेम डायमीटर पे एक आर्क लगाते हैं. तो जो पहला आर्क हम इस सेमी सर्कल पे लगाते हैं दैट इज ऑफ 60 डिग्री. हमने 60 डिग्री का एंगल बी से बना दिया. फिर बी से ए का मेजरमेंट इज ऑफ 6 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमने 6 सेंटीमीटर का डायमेंशन लिया और विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंपास हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया और हमने इस लाइन को एक्सटेंड कर दिया. अब नाउ दिस इज ए एंड दिस इज सी. वी हैव फर्दर जॉइंड देम. सो दिस इज हाउ वी विल गेट. दिस वाज पार्ट ए. नाउ let me explain you part second also. Okay, so in part second what is that? सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं हमको क्या लाइन बनानी है. So here we have to make BC. This is B and this is C. Kindly consider this. ठीक है, BC हमने बनाया 7 centimeter. Now the angle we have to make over B is 45. तो 45 का कैसे बनाएंगे? पहले हम 90 का बनाएंगे. तो 90 का बनाने के लिए B पे हमने कंपास रखा और एक डायमीटर बनाया. ठीक है, ऐसा डायमीटर बना दिया. फिर देखेंगे ये इस पॉइंट को यहाँ पे कट कर रहा है, यहाँ से एक आर्क. ठीक है, और इस पॉइंट पे कहाँ कट कर रहा है? यहाँ पे, यहाँ से एक आर्क. देन आफ्टर यहाँ से फिर से एक आर्क और यहाँ से फिर से एक आर्क. ओके, सो दिस वी विल जॉइन दिस. यहाँ से हम इस एंड को यहाँ से बी से ज्वाइन कर देंगे. दिस विल बी ऑफ 90 degree. See, like this we will do. Like this we will do. We will join this and this will be of 90 degree. Now we know that half of 90 will give you 45. तो सेम डायमीटर से यहाँ फिर से रख के एक आर्क तो यहाँ हमारा था ही. अब जिस पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे ये लाइन आई है वहाँ पे हम अब नीडल रखेंगे और यहाँ से एक आर्क ऐसे कट करेंगे. ओके, देखिए, you will get here. This is the point of intersection. यहाँ से हम B को ऐसे क्रॉस करा दे. दिस विल गिव यू 45. ओके, सो हेयर वी गॉट ऑफ 45. ये हो गया 45 डिग्री का. अभी हमको क्या है? ए बी को हमको 9 सेंटीमीटर लेना है. अगेन वी विल प्लेस दिस. वी विल टेक 9 सेंटीमीटर का ये डायमेंशन है. ए पे हम रखेंगे और यहाँ पे 9 सेंटीमीटर के लेंथ से हम एक आर्क कट कर देंगे. ठीक है, और फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू सी वी विल जॉइन दिस एंड वी विल गेट द ट्रायंगल. So this is how we will get it. Okay, this is how we are going to get it.